जय हिंद एवरीवन, मैं हूं आशीष तारंग एंड वेलकम टू द ग्रोइंग प्रोफेशनल शो। हमारे इस शो में हम हमेशा बात करते हैं इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी के बारे में, आपके पर्सनल ब्रांड के बारे में। पर आज हम एक डिफरेंट टॉपिक लेके आए हैं विच इज योर हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस। हेल्थ इज द वेल्थ। तो आज हमारे साथ शो में है रौनक वोहरा। ही इज एक्सपर्ट ऑन मेन फिटनेस। आज रौनक के साथ हम काफी सारे टॉपिक से बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट health, consistency, and diet specifically for young working professionals and college students. Because हम हमारे काफी सारे क्वेश्चन होते हैं कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास डाइट ठीक से नहीं पता। इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आज हमें रौनक देंगे। तो आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम रौनक ऑन द शो। हेलो रौनक, वेलकम ऑन द शो। इट्स बीन लॉन्ग टाइम सिंस वी वर इन टच और आज आपने टाइम निकाला है हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए, तो वी आर थैंकफुल टू यू। सो हमारे ऑडियंस की साइड से भी काफ़ी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए हैं अबाउट द हेल्थ एंड द फिटनेस। सो आज के इस इंटरव्यू में हम लोग कवर करेंगे उन सब टॉपिक्स को। तो द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क फ्रॉम यू इज, हर कोई अपनी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हम अपने आप को फिट रखें, लेकिन समहाउ हमें लगता है कि टाइम बहुत शॉर्ट है, उतना टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास, बहुत बिजी टाइम स्केड्यूल्स हैं। तो हाउ वी शुड टेक आउट सम टाइम फॉर आवर हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस। सो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस ऑन इट?
Right. So, hi everyone, and thank you, Ashish, for having me. It's great to have on your platform and interact with your audiences and share my advice. So, as you asked me about time, so I have two things to answer. First is that what I've seen is that we have a belief कि मेरे पास time नहीं है मेरे पास, right? I think we have all a belief कि time नहीं है मेरे पास, right? Time किसी के पास नहीं होता है. Everyone gets 24 hours, whether it's me, you, Grant Cardone, Dan Locke, whether it's anyone on this earth, right? Tony Robbins, for example, anyone, we all get the same 24 hours. But it's about how planning, what kind of planning do we do? Priorities क्या है हमारी, ठीक है? Let's say I'll give an example. I am doing this training since 7.5 years now.
Oh.
So I'm training this from almost 8 साल होंगे मेरे को दिसंबर में. So you know, it's a second thing for me now. मतलब मुझे से टाइम निकालना नहीं पड़ता है, वो मेरे स्केड्यूल में फिट हो गया है अपने. So first thing is you need to find the priority. You need to dedicate a time slot कि बॉस ये मेरा नॉन नेगोशिएबल है. That 15-20 minutes I will not mess up with this exercise window. Right? आपको भूख लगती है, you go for a lunch or dinner, whatever time it is. At that time, same time you need to give for your exercise and change your beliefs that मेरे पास time नहीं है. Okay, how can I find time? Can I reduce my social media usage? Can I reduce my chit chat with my friends? We have to become resourceful, right? And second thing is that you don't need 45 minutes, 1 hour if you don't have the time. Can be as simple as warm up, 5 minutes, some kind of strength or cardio. जो मैं trendio बोलता हूँ, that's my signature workout, trendio. That means strength plus cardio, right? So you do that for 15-20 minutes. That's it.
Right.
So you can find these things.
Right. So you are saying it's more important to prioritize the things instead of just lingering on the things and wasting the time on other
Right.
things. Agree. So as
राइट
you
अगर आप बोलते रहोगे तो जस्ट टू ऐड ऑन दैट, अगर आप बोलते रहोगे टाइम नहीं तो यू कैन नेवर मेक टाइम.
right, right,
टू टेक आउट पीस ऑफ पेपर, फिगर आउट बहुत टाइम नहीं है, सॉल्यूशन क्या है,
right.
सिंपल.
So as you are saying, आप 8 years से continuously रेगुलर कर रहे हो, रेगुलरली कर रहे हो. So what is your advice कि फिक्स शेड्यूल होने का क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं? Like how a fixed schedule can help our audience to be consistent in their efforts.
डेफिनेटली. सो आई जस्ट रेड अ कोट फ्रॉम वन ऑफ माय मेंटर हु आई फॉलो. तो उन्होंने लिखा था कि इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉपर रूटीन, if you have a routine that is predictable, you won't get heart attacks.
Oh.
Simply stating that, not a typical heart attack, but you will not get anxious, right? In that context, right? So the important thing of fixed scheduled routine is that you won't get heart attacks. So what I mean by that, when you have a scheduled routine, you know exactly what you need to do, what you need to focus on, and what is the energy you are putting into that. So let's take an example that I have to go to gym, ठीक है, and I don't know what to do, right? अरे मुझे क्या करना है? Shoes पहनने, socks, my gym bag, my perfume, my towel. I'll be like in an anxious state,
Right.
right? I'll be worried because that's not predictable. So having a predictable routine is powerful. It empowers you. So that's the importance of that.
All right. So, but what happens, like people like me who are working professionals, when I was in college, the young guys who are going to college, we start with the flashes. We just want to like do it everything today. We start with high fire in ourselves. But what happens, like in New Year resolutions, everybody is very much conscious about the health. They write their goals, they write their like affirmations that I'll be more fit, I'll be doing exercise. But what happens after 7 days, 10 days, or maximum by a month time? Everything is back to the zero. So, how to be consistent? What is your advice? Like, how one can be consistent? So, because this is fitness is not one day game. Like, we have to be consistent, then only we will get some consistent results and
Right.
sustainable results, I would rather say. So, how to be consistent? Can you advise on us?
Sure. That's an interesting question again, Ashish. So I want to give you one piece of powerful advice, which everyone should make a note of, is that power of having a community or a environment is far more stronger than your willpower. Now let me elaborate it. So when I started my journey, I had pain. I wanted to change because people had made fun of me. I was short. I'm still short, but it doesn't matter to me anymore, right? And I had no confidence, weak self-image. So I had a pain which I wanted to immediately solve, right? मेरे में एक आग थी, I had a burning desire. And most of the people today, sadly, are comfortable in their skin. They don't want to do the hard path. They don't want to take the difficult step, right? Correct me if I'm wrong here, but I'm seeing this trend.
Right, that is. Sometimes we believe more on others' opinion than being confident on ourselves. Rather than
100%.
focusing on our strength, we focus more on what weaknesses we do have. ये काफी
Exactly.
कॉमन है. आई थिंक ये सबके अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम कहीं ना कहीं एक सर्टेन डिग्री तक, किसी के अंदर ज्यादा, किसी के अंदर कम, ये कहीं ना कहीं होता है. अग्री टू इट.
Right. So what happens here is you need to change your mentality, right? As being a men's coach myself, I have coined this term as mentality.
So, Ronak, I want to ask you a question about the consistency. The people like me who are working professionals, and when I was in college, I used to face this problem. I had started many times thinking about my health and being consistent, but somehow नहीं हो पाता. हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं एक वीक 10 days, मैक्सिमम एक महीने तक हम लोग बहुत मेहनत से करते हैं. एंड वन फाइन डे हम सोचते चलो आज ब्रेक लेता हूँ कल से फिर, और वो कल कभी नहीं आता. राइट, वी स्टार्ट विद द एशेस फ्लैशेस, और एशेस पे आके हम लोग बिल्कुल रुक जाते हैं. सो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस, हाउ वी कैन बी कंसिस्टेंट?
Right. So can I ask you a question here, Ashish? Why do you think that flashes is turned into ashes? क्यों होता है ये? Like, what is the reason? Do you think?
कोई ना कोई हमें एक्सक्यूज हो जाता है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज मैं नहीं उठ पाऊंगा, कल लेट सोया था, एंड देन कुड बी कि आज मेरा दिन बहुत बिजी रहने वाला है, तो आई हैव सम मोर प्रायोरिटीज ऑन इट. या फिर कभी किसी दिन नींद ही नहीं खुली, अभी 10 मिनट और सो जाता हूँ, काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आई थिंक हैम्पर द शेड्यूल मोस्ट.
Right. Right. Thank you for that. So why I asked you was for a reason that I want to understand what is stopping all of you, right? Like, what are the roadblocks? Challenges क्या है? उसके ऊपर से I can answer in a more clarified manner. So what I always believe and what I always tell my clients as well, and to all my audiences on my social media, is that the power of community. Okay, I want you guys to take notes if you're listening to this. The power of community is stronger than your willpower. All right, the power of community or slash environment is stronger than your willpower. Now what do I mean by this? So let's say I have my men's fitness community, which I'm sure you are aware about, Ashish, right? So I have my MFC, men's fitness community, being a men's coach. So what the power of the community is that you have someone who's accountable, right? You have that accountability कि अरे यार मैं नहीं उठूंगा, कल नहीं आऊंगा तो रौनक चिल्लाएगा, मुझे रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, बाकी जो लोग कम्युनिटी में हैं वो लोग आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे, मैं पीछे रह जाऊंगा. Getting it? So you have that kind of हम हर एक में there's a animal drive inside all of us. I was listening to a podcast, very interesting insight, that we all have an animal drive कि यार हमको भी जीतना है. We all love challenges, right? We all love challenges. You accept it or not, we all love it. वो उसके करना नहीं करना अलग बात है, हमारा आलस हमको रोक देता है, but we all love challenges, right? So the community will give you that kind of aura, that kind of feedback loop that come on boss, you have to get up. पर्सन ए कर रहा है, अब मुझे करना पड़ेगा, पर्सन सी कर रहा है, मुझे करना पड़ेगा. So that is the power, and it is far more stronger than your willpower. Because alone, remember this, alone you can do little, but together we can do a lot. And that's what I believe in my community, and it is giving great results to all my men. And those are working professionals just like you, right? Some of them are businessmen, some of them are trainer coaches, some of them are job employers. So they all are different, but they all have one thing in common, that रौनक टाइम नहीं है, मोटिवेशन चाहिए, मुझे कंसिस्टेंट रहने नहीं होता है. ये सबके तीन प्रॉब्लम है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम. So you need to have a coach in your life who will drive that. तो तुम्हारे अंदर का वो आग, तुम्हारे अंदर का वो एनिमल जगाएगा. You need that initially.
agree मतलब somebody to push, क्योंकि हम क्या होता है कई बार हमें push start चाहिए होता है कभी, somebody has to be there to push us to extend our limits. Agree.
Correct.
And about fitness diet का भी उतना ही important role होता है, I believe, जितना आपके workout का होता है. So what is your take on it? Yes.
Right. So as you know, I'm a only vegetarian coach for men, right? I believe in the vegetarianism.
Oh, wow.
Because I've been doing that since my childhood. I'm a Gujarati, right? So Gujarati into fitness, building muscles is very, very unconventional, right? I just had an interview, I think 2 months back, on my platform of my community.
Okay.
Right? They were asking me, Ronak, you are a Gujarati, how did you enter into fitness? Right? So what I feel is that vegetarianism, So what I feel is that vegetarianism has given me far more benefits. Of course, I haven't tasted anything apart from that. But what I feel is that now there are a lot of evidence and research coming up that vegetarianism is good for your body, mind, and soul. So now, there are things happening as well outside. You know what corona is happening around, and that is the time when your immunity needs to be on peak. Your mental levels need to be on peak. Your focus needs to be on peak. Your emotional relationships have to be balanced enough, right? And let's say if you're eating acidic food. Now, what I mean by acidic food is that meat, burger, French fries, all the junk food, soda is all acidic food, right? And what you need to switch on is alkaline, which is more plant-based. Fruits, vegetables, beans, right? Things of that nature. Alkaline. That will not raise your acidic levels in body. That will not shoot up your blood pressure. That will not mess up with your diabetes. Will not give you the cholesterol, right? So that's my basic, I would say, principle of nutrition is that to have enough fruits, vegetables, like more of alkaline food in your whole plate, combined with protein. That's a non-negotiable again. Protein in this case is dairy, milk, dahi, paneer, soya bean, sprouts, beans, whey protein. All of these things should be in your plate. Wow. So does that answer your question, Ashish?
Yeah,
about the diet?
Yeah, I want to ask a follow-up question on it. Generally, we as a working professionals, we tend to skip our breakfast. What is your advice? What could because we have a schedule, like we sleep late in the night, get up little late in the morning, and we have a fixed time to just push our thumb in the biometric in the office. So like, because we have those very limited slots from getting up to entering in the office.
Right.
So what is like your advice? How we can cope up with the missed breakfast things? What we should add on in our breakfast? Because in
Right.
our Vedic diet plan as well, it is said that कि breakfast सबसे heavy होना चाहिए so that you have energy for whole of your day. But अभी के fast paced lifestyle में ब्रेकफास्ट स्किप होता जा रहा है या ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत के नाम पे एक हम ब्रेड बटर हो गया या बहुत एक कोई छोटा सा स्नैक हो गया सो व्हाट इज एडवाइस कि हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट क्या हो सकता है जो क्विकली प्रिपेयर भी हो जाए योर एडवाइस ऑन इट
Sure. So I would just like to take a step back here, and I would like to tell you that first, what's your fitness goal? if you are if you want to lose fat, if you are overweight, let's say if you're overweight, अगर आपका वजन बहुत ज्यादा है, then skipping breakfast won't be a problem for you. It's good because now we have a fasting window, right? So fasting window आपका रात रात का आपने खाना खाया 10-11 बजे, शायद वो पचा नहीं होगा because you sleep at 12:30, sleep at 12 o'clock, and I'm guessing that your metabolism is not good because if you are overweight, in my opinion, you are probably not working out, you are probably not taking action on that, so probably I'm guessing that आपका जो डाइजेशन है मेटाबॉलिज्म वो थोड़ा खराब होगा. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने रात का खाना खाया है, आपका खाना अगर पचा नहीं है, देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन स्टफिंग इट अप अगेन इन द मॉर्निंग, राइट?
राइट
First thing. Second is when you have a fasting state, your body gives the energy from fat, from the stored fat. वो वहां पे टैप करता है. So it's a good thing if you
ओके
are trying to lose weight, trying to lose excess of fat. Skipping breakfast is a good thing in the morning. ठीक है, until 11 or 12, then you can have your brunch. ठीक है, there is no thumb rule for this, Ashish. So you know what I always tell is to give you the context, right? Give all the people context कि आपको क्या चाहिए, मतलब क्या चाहिए. So if I tell that, okay, let's go to Pune, but if you want to go to Ahmedabad, so why should I take you to Pune, right? So what's your goal that you're trying to
राइट
achieve? Is it building muscle or is it losing fat? दो ही गोल होते हैं usually. So अगर आपको muscle build करना है,
राइट
like me, you have to eat, right? You have to eat and you have to work out. Simple as that. And if you want to lose weight, fat, if you skip a meal or two sometimes in a day, and like not very often, but very rarely, that's fine. How can you cope up with that? Is by eating snacks. अगर आप travel कर रहे हो, so let me tell on that part. कि अगर आप travel कर रहे हो and let's say if you are hungry, आपको खाना ही है. First option is you can take dry fruits, very small handful, because again those have more calories because वो fats है. Fats have more calories than protein and carbohydrates. ठीक है, so you have to eat them very mindfully अगर आपको वजन कम करना है तो. But that's one option of eating snacks. Second is that if you are commuting, अगर आप जो ट्रेन में हो, अगर आप ऑटो में हो, और अगर आप when you are not driving, you can probably eat homemade food. पोहा उपमा अगर बनाया होगा तो ठीक है, that's one thing. Second, if you are driving by yourself, you can eat dry fruits. Secondly, you can carry a whey protein shake. That's always helpful. Protein is always helpful. So again, a non-negotiable for you guys. So I keep giving this golden nugget. So I hope that you guys are taking the notes. Okay, take notes, but this is very important. So that you eat protein. Prioritize protein in every meal.
ओके
Protein is a super ingredient. Now, why do I say that? Is that protein also helps you burn fat, because protein requires calories to digest itself.
ओके
A lot of science into that. I won't go into it, but you can carry whey protein shake with you. Go for Indian brands because US का brands लोगे तो उसमें थोड़ा spiking का duplicacy का issue हो सकता है.
Ronak, I want to ask your recommendation. As you're suggesting, protein has to be a must-have ingredient. So, आपका क्या advice है? कौन सा brand, as you were sharing, like काफी brands हैं market के अंदर, तो कौन सा brand का आप recommend करते हो? So that we can give a link to our audience in the description box, so they can go and buy out that particular brand. Any recommendation from your side?
Right. My Fit Fuel is a good brand.
My fit.
My Fit Fuel. So yeah, I'm an affiliate with them.
Okay.
So if you buy from the link, which I'll make some money out of it. But
Okay.
I'm not promoting it just because I want to make money. I'm promoting it because I have been using it myself since I don't know 2-3 years now. and I'm giving the same to my client, right? Because it is transparent, it gives you the results, and it is affordable according to Indian market and pocket size.
Okay, right. So,
Yeah,
as we were also discussing about the exercise, so you shared 20 minutes is enough if everybody is consistent with 20 minutes. So, what will be your advice on those 20 minutes schedule? How they can utilize this time in a best way?
right. So, right. So, I think the best way is to, if you can go to my YouTube channel, that is Ronak Pora. You just type in that Ronak Pora, you'll find it, find few of my videos which I've uploaded of workout. They are not more than 5-7 minutes. You can do them for 2 to 3 sets. जब 2-3 बार कर लिया आपने, you're done for the day. But ultimately, you have to understand this, that um, 20 minutes, if you keep doing it for long enough, the results आपको late मिलेगा, because as the time pass by, you are getting strong, right? Your body is getting adapted to it, right? So earlier, a 30 ml of coffee would have been enough for you, but now 30 ml में कुछ नहीं होता आपको. You need a bigger dose, right? Similarly, in terms of exercise, your body needs more stimulus, more, let's say, more wear and tear. So you have to gradually keep on adding up in terms of repetition, sets, or difficulty of exercise. But if you want to know more about this, you go to my YouTube channel, just subscribe to it. I keep uploading videos. I have all my content on my Instagram and Facebook with the name Ronak Pora. So you can ask me there as well.
All right. So what we will do, the audience, रौनक के जितने भी सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स हैं, यूट्यूब चैनल्स हैं, उनका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, और इस वीडियो के एंड पे भी वी आर लिंकिंग द यूट्यूब चैनल लिंक. सो आप रौनक के चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. वी एनकरेज यू टू सब्सक्राइब हिज चैनल एंड वॉच ऑल द वीडियोज ऑन हिज चैनल. And Ronak will definitely, like in his upcoming videos, add the link of our channel so that like Ronak's audience can also be
Yes,
part of our channel.
definitely.
Right, Ronak. So
Community,
coming to
definitely.
now, I want to ask you a personal question. Like you are very young. You shared like from last 8 years you are into fitness. So what? And you were also mentioning like about like people may used to make a lot of comment among you about your height. So what encouraged you to come into fitness domain, and specifically men's fitness? I would
Right,
rather ask.
right. So I'm training myself since 8 years, but I never thought that I'll make a career out of it. I come from an IT background. I'm not a typical guy who looks up at his elder brother जो US में है, ठीक है? He's doing well. अरे मेरे को भी वही करना है. I'll do my engineering. I'll do that. But sadly, I did not choose engineering because I was a bit lazy there कि यार मुझे इतना नहीं करना, अपने आप पे इतना load नहीं डालना. So rather I took a BSc IT, and I graduated in 2016, ठीक है? 2017 के आसपास. From there I started working with cyber security first, then networking. Then I got into Here Solutions, a map-based company. ठीक है? I worked there for almost a year and a half. So that's how my corporate journey started. But I felt that this is not my calling. I really have the potential to do more, and I'm still underplaying. Right? I was self-aware at that time as well. And I was watching a lot of videos on YouTube of Tony Robbins, Gary Vee, and all those influencers guys. That got me in my head that Ronak, you need to do something. You have a mission, you have a purpose in life. So all these things kept going in my head. So as I said that, what am I doing the best? What do I know? And what have I done something that nobody dares to do? In my in my society, is that entry into fitness as a Gujarati, doing lifting, training, being consistent with it, building a body with just vegetarian diet, not eating anything outside of that. So I think that's the thing that triggered me that Ronak, I think fitness is something that you can opt. So I started with my certification in 2018, just 2 years back. मैं एंटर किया ये डोमेन में, एंड उसके बाद आई गॉट माय फर्स्ट ब्रेक थ्रू एज अ मास्टर ट्रेनर. So I was a trainer first. I was learning, and then I was teaching other trainers. So जहाँ पे सीखा मैंने, मुझे वहीं पे मुझे चांस मिला.
Wow.
I got the opportunity to teach other people, other trainers there. I have trained around 150 plus trainers in this journey. And in 2019, I quit that. I worked full time on my business, that is RV Fit. That's my company's name. I'm working full time on that since a year now. And in this lockdown, I could say that was the best time of my life. You know, I've reinvented the whole wheel. As you said, the men's coach sprouted in this 6 months, because you know, as you get into a certain degree in your business, you have to micro niche, you have to specialize,
Yeah,
right?
very good.
So that's how the, you know, I have mentors in my life. My mentors have helped me come this far. Everything fine tuned. I built India's first men's fitness community in just 6 months, 5 months, and we had a member of 50 plus men who are working with me on a everyday basis. You know, I'm training them, consulting them, helping them reach their goal. All the working professionals and all the men. The beauty is, Ashish, I'll tell you, the beauty is that it's like a family for me.
Mm-hmm.
Like I nurture it. It's
Right.
not like, "Kyare, aap Delhi ke ho." I have people from Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, US, UK, Australia, every part of the country. You know, so it feels like we are one. We are together on a similar mission. That is to make men fit again.
Wow, really nice.
That's
So,
the whole thing.
wow, very nice. Ronak, so one thing I wanted to ask, like you are doing your IT work as well, and you are doing this community work as well, your fitness community as well. Both the things you are running
No,
parallel.
no, no. So fitness community started now. 6 महीने हुए मुझे MFC बना के.
Okay.
Earlier I was just a fitness coach. I was serving to everyone. But what my mentors always tells that when you serve everyone, you serve no one. Right? You need to have a focused target audience. Right? And it differs from person to person. Some people might not agree with this, but that's fine. But that's my approach.
I
So I was balancing my certification. Yes, I was doing my job. 2018 my quit. 2018 my quit everything. I'm full time working ever since then. 2 साल से. But this men's coach, men's fitness community was the result of lockdown, reinvention, thinking. What can I do different? How can I make a bigger impact? So that's about it.
as you shared like your YouTube channel, your social media platform, but like I for our audience purpose for the reference. So what others YouTube channel? What any if you mention any website or
Sure.
book, what resources you would like to share to our audience?
Sure. So I think, you know, the first thing you need to understand is that in today's time, uh, you will find things that are advanced. You will not find the basics, the fundamentals. And those are the important things that you need to first understand. कि basics क्या है, क्या fundamentals है, कहाँ से शुरू करना है. Right? So I think the first thought you want to do is where should I start? So in terms of resources, I would say that there are few websites. I think medium.com is where you can find some relevant information. Second is you can just go on Google and type like fat loss and type NCBI. NCBI is the international unit where research papers and studies are posted. So you will not get any BS. We'll only get the scientific and trusted evidence-based approach, right? Because it's all science, right? You cannot listen to him telling that lose 10 kg fat in 10 days. It's just not possible. And we as Indians fall prey to all this clickbait.
Right, clickbaits actually. Yes.
So इसलिए मैं recommend नहीं करता कोई YouTube channel because I don't know. I mean, where are they starting? Like, so you know, I think the first one is that you can subscribe to this channel called Stronger by Science. It's a channel from people who are the well-versed coaches, right? Who have a good experience in the field. Stronger by Science, NCBI. Then you know there are a lot of stuff depends on what you need, right? So I cannot give you. I'm giving you a basic thing, but it is again subjective.
Right. So
And in terms of your book, just to add on, if you want a book to start with, I have written my ebook, which is a very basic one. For a beginner, it is a great start. So, you know, I encourage you to download that. It's for free. It's on my website. You can go on rvfit.in/ebook. You'll get my ebook for free. It's 35-page ebook. You can get everything into that from the basics. कि शुरू कैसे करना है boss.
wow, wow. So for the audience, I'm just sharing with you all these links of websites and the link of ebook. We are giving in the description box. You can go and download. We encourage you to download and subscribe to Ronak's channel, and definitely go through the other websites that Ronak has shared. All are mentioned in description box for your convenience. So one last question I would like to ask you, Ronak, like I'm taking much of your time. Last question, people who are watching this episode, they want to contact you. So how they can reach out to you? Can you please share your contact details with us? Definitely, we are going to mention in the description box as well. And what all courses you
Sure.
are providing, what kind of courses and coaching you are providing, what kind of programs you are running, please share with our audience.
Sure, that would be great honor to serve all the audience across. So the first thing is that I'm hosting a 7-day challenge. Okay. As I said, that we all need to take the first step, and the first step is matters, and the first step should be in a proper direction, right? That is why one more important thing, guys. Don't forget to drink water. Again, I forgot to mention, as you know, I keep drinking on water. So water is the biggest thing that you can do. You can keep sipping on water. If you're traveling, work professional, whatever it is, water will help you solve most of your challenges because your human body is made up of 70% water. So keep drinking water. That being said, the 7-day challenge is the first step you can start with, and it's only for men, right? So you can contact me on my number, that is 7718070745, right? That's 7718070745. You can just let me know that I came from this interview and I want to join my 7-day challenge. It's only for men. And we have my second batch running tomorrow. It starts tomorrow. Sunday ko hone wala hai. Yeah. So it's happening tomorrow. So that's first step you can do. And secondly, I keep posting a lot of free content on my YouTube, Instagram, and I keep doing Facebook lives. So I keep doing Facebook live from Monday to Friday with everyday new topics. So your questions, I answer them, and I keep adding value into that.
Great.
So it's a 10-minute session, a quick session, only solution, only practical takeaways.
Wow.
I share in that. So just Google Facebook pe jao, kahan pe jao, just type my name Ronak Vora. You will see me in this same T-shirt with a smile and thumbs up like this.
Wow.
So it's easier for everyone to remember, right?
Right.
That ye red T-shirt wala guy. Yeah.
Right. Nice.
Right.
So you are following Mark Zuckerberg, right? Great T-shirt wala aadmi.
Yes.
Right. So, thank you so much, Ronak, for being on this show, and you have shared very deep insights about, and specifically, I like your ideas about the consistency and having a fixed diet plan and taking the first step.
Right.
Definitely, we encourage our audience to get in touch with Ronak, follow his channels and different social media platforms by going in the description box. Download his ebook that's free of cost and having a lot of value. I've already gone through that ebook that has a lot of value and has encouraged me. So I'm also going to take training from Ronak, and definitely I'll get a good benefit out of it. And let's close this session by saying this. I thank you again, Ronak, for being on this show, and I hope
Just one last takeaway. Guys, always remember that don't be a information junkie, right? Like, don't keep learning. Fitness and health is all about execution.
execution.
It's all about practical. Don't just keep learning कि ये वीडियो देख लिया, ये देख लिया, वो मजा आ गया. Boss, nothing has changed.
Right.
Execute करो, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उस पर action लो, मेरे challenges में आओ, join करो, and I will help you on that track. But
Right.
I've seen that people get overwhelmed, but they don't take action. Take action, guys.
Yes. Taking the first step, as Ronak shared, आप भी Ronak का every week Sunday to Saturday 7 days का challenge होता है और काफी frequency पे होता है. So get in touch with Ronak, and definitely he'll guide you more in detail. ये तो just एक preview था, एक what Ronak can do for you. So get in touch with Ronak and get benefit out of it. So I'm wishing everybody the best for their fitness and happier lives. Thank you, Ronak, for being on the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish, for having me here. That's a great opportunity given me. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure.
Thank you.